Let's see how to fill text with lines in Canva. So for this example, let's choose a custom size. Let's choose this size. And next we'll go to here on the left-hand side, click text, add a heading, and let's type our text. For this example, line text. Let's just adjust here in the middle. Let's change the background to any color we want. So for this example, let's choose magenta. Next, we'll change the color of the text to white. Let's just increase the size of the text just a bit. There, I'm satisfied with that. Next, in order to fill line with text in Canva, all we need to do is search for circle line pattern here in the Elements tab. Let's go to graphics and see all. So for this example, let's choose this circle. Adjust the circle size accordingly so it fits the line of text. Next, we change the color and we choose here from our document color so it will mesh well with the background color. Let's choose the magenta. That's it. That's how you fill text with lines in Canva. See you soon.